The temple is a place where the spiritual forces are concentrated. This place was a symbol of the attributes of holiness. Man used to have these forces, which operate in spirituality, which controlled him according to his desires. And people wished to come there in order to connect corporeally with spirituality, so that on the corporeal level also they would perform the same thing that they did within their hearts in the inner temple, in man's heart. Man used to bring fruit, donations, and tithes to the stones. Everything a person created, everything he did, was brought here in order to sanctify his work. This was as a symbol of the spiritual inclination within his heart. There were no prayer books at that time. People used to come there and speak straight from their hearts, from the bottom of their hearts. Whatever they felt was what they spoke to the upper force, and they didn't need any words. The priests were the people who served in the temple, those who were absolutely clean of the worldly ego, and who ascended above all their desires to bestow perfect love. They were the only ones allowed to receive the donations and tithes, because none of them could take it for themselves, so they passed on everything they received to the temple. The priests are the desires within man that want only one thing: to bring the knowledge of the upper force to this world. These great, exalted desires exist in each of us, and there will come a time when these priests will awaken within us.